Today we're going to be running through a brief demo of our new Odoo portal database. First, we're going to sign in with our mock email and password. Then once we log into the database, we're going to see a range of options. Once you sign a statement of work with QOC Innovations, a sales order will populate under the Your Orders tab. Moving over that and into the Your Invoices tab, where you're given a few pieces of information, including invoice number and amount due. Once you click into the invoice itself, you will be able to see a digital copy of the invoice sheet, where you can see anything from the description, quantity, unit price, and total amount due. You're also able to see the timesheets tab on the left. Clicking into this, you will be able to see individual timesheets. You will be able to see information like the project, task, and time allocated. You're also able to group by a wide range of options, including task. This gives you the ability to see the time spent on each individual task. Clicking back to home, now we're going to touch on the projects tab. Under this, you will be able to see individual products, or as it's known in the portal, updates. Here you can find status reports. This is where you're going to find the overall health of your project. Moving back out into home, now we're going to go under the tasks tab. Under tasks, you can see details like the name associated with the task, the assignee, time spent, and the stage. You're also able to see total time spent compared to the estimated time. Clicking into a task obviously gives you more details about that individual task. It is also important to know that once someone is a portal user, QOC can message them on tasks. The recipients will receive an email with our message text and a link to that task. They can click on the link in the message to open that task in the portal, or simply reply to the email and their message will be stored on that task in our Odoo database. This is a great way for the QOC project team to collaborate with our partners by consolidating and organizing the information on each task. Going back to the collection of tasks, you can group by a variety of properties, including stage. This will group each task depending on what stage it is in. And then finally, going to the home page one last time, into the timesheets tab. Now, we've already been able to get in here, but it is also important that you can access it through the home page, where you can also group by a variety of properties. Those are the basics to QOC Innovations Odoo portal.